Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Aksal Muda. I want to talk about feasibility of solar tracking system for PV panel in hot and cool region. Introduction. Solar energy is the most important renewable energy source. Modern technology provides the means to obtain a clean, unprejudiced form of energy through photovoltaic system, which convert solar energy into electrical energy. A photovoltaic tracking system is a system that tracks the sun from sunrise to sunset for maximum energy. The advantage of having a tracking system is that energy gain, the consequently energy output can be increased because the PV system can remain perpendicular to incoming solar radiation as the sun's location changes throughout the day. Saint Pinar and CBC studied the effect of tracking on PV cell performance in Turkey. They concluded that the greatest advantage of the two-axis solar traces array is its ability to maintain its position without being affected by cloud or other environmental conditions. The same study concludes that using a sun tracking system would only be useful on sunny days and was unnecessary on cloudy days. Huang and Sun suggest that having additional PV module connect in series or parallel to the same tracker would be economical. Huang and Sun use single-axis tracer with concentrator and perform system economic analysis. Another issue to be discussed is the parameter that influences the selection of a PV tracking system. For example, temperature is a parameter that has a big effect on the performance of a PV module. One of the main obstacles faced in the operation of photovoltaic panel, especially cerulin silicon panels, is excessive heat due to excessive solar radiation and high ambient temperature. Overheating dramatically reduces panel efficiency. Many researchers have shown that the operating temperature of the PV panel plays a central role in the PV conversion process. The purpose of this study is to determine the feasibility of tracking system in various regions of the world. Next, experimental setup and the mathematical model validation. Experimental setting. Experiment is designed and constructed to vary the output of a mathematical model in case of tracing, mounting error, and no sun tracking. The solar tracking system is based on azimuth tracking, in which there are two independent movements, one for daily motion and the frequency by rotating the module around the polar axis, and the other motion determined by the sun's seasonal variation. Azimuth tracing has been chosen from a constructive point of view, namely his of contraction. The PV panel position is set manually every 15 minutes during the tracking case from sunrise to sunset, so that the sun can be accurately observed and the tracker. It can be concluded that actuation error, instrumentation error, and the shipping error can be minimized due to this manual tracking process. Therefore, solar radiation in the The case of tracking and non-tracking becomes the same during the day. The sun export in the tracking case is significantly higher than that of the non-tracking case after daylight. Due the increases incident angle of the sun in the non-tracking case compared to the tracking case. Next, result of the mathematical model. Mathematics is the present in that section has been applied to predict the power output of PV panel in the case of hot and sunny area, namely Aswan city in Egypt, as well as cold, as well as cold and flood areas, namely Stuttgart and Berlin city in Germany. The output power of the PV panel in different cities has been calculated in case of tracking, no tracking, and skipping sun tracking. Number 1. PV panel performance in Aswan, Egypt. Input data for a mathematical model in the southern city of Aswan, including solar radiation and ambient temperature, were measured on July 15, 2013. Solar irradiation and the ambient temperature were obtained from the Egyptian Meteorological Agency. Tracking cases show higher output than cases without tracking from morning to noon. From noon to sunset, the results were as almost identical. The slow energy gain from tracking is due to overheating of the panel due to excessive solar irradiation and high ambient temperature, which leads to a decrease in the efficiency of tracking PV panel. Number 2. PV panel performance in Stuttgart, Germany. Modeling result of a PV panel installed in Stuttgart, Germany on July 15, 2013. Solar radiation and the ambient temperature were obtained from the German Meteorological Service. The results shows that the tracer PV panel had a higher power output throughout the day except during the day period. The tracking and the non-tracking PV panel have almost the same output power because at this point they both have a same tail angle as the sun. In this regard, solar tracking may be more advanced because after deducting the power consumption of the tracker and the maintenance tools, which are roughly equal to 10% of the power generated. Finally, conclusion. Number 1. A mathematical model has been applied to determine the performance of the serial silicon PV panel as a function tracking the sun and the operating condition. Number 2. The results of the applied model are in accordance with experimental measurement. Number 3. Experimental measurement in the model results show that it is not economical to track the sun in hot and sunny areas such as Cairo and Aswan in Egypt due the effect of operating on the frequency of PV panel. Number 4, the model result show that it is highly recommended to track the sun in cold and cold areas, such as Stuttgart and Berlin in Germany, to maximize the power output of the PV panel. Number 5, and the power output of a PV panel in the terms of sun tracking is sensitive to ambient condition too. So it is very important to access the ambient condition before deciding to use a solar tracking system. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. Bye bye.